In previous lecture, we learned about cell, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Now, we will learn the difference between plant cell and the animal cell. That what are the things that make them different from each other. Students, in our school, there are many teachers, but all teachers do not teach same subject. They all teach different subject. Same as in our body, there are many cells, but their function is also not same. Different cell perform different functions as like our school teachers. For example, our eye cell job is to see the things, and the job of nose cell is to help us to take breath. So students, as different cells have different function, similarly different cells have different size and different shapes. And as there is a difference between our eyes and nose cells, same as there is a difference between plant cell and the animal cell too, because both are different type of cells. And why these cells are different from each other, we will study it later on in this lecture. Animal cell. Students, as I told you earlier that हमारे cells का size बहुत small होता है, इसीलिए हम इन्हें माइक्रोस्कोप की हेल्प से देखते हैं. And when we'll see it under the microscope, we will see that like the shape of egg, our cell is also present in an oval shape. So what is the shape of cell? The shape of cell is oval. And what is inside the cell? There are many small parts inside the cell, and these small parts present in the cell are called as organelles. What these are called as? These are called as organelles. For example, there are different parts of our house too, like rooms, kitchen and bathroom. Same as in our cell, there are different small parts. In these parts are called as organelles. There are 4 small organelles inside the animal cell. Number 1 is nucleus, number 2 is cytoplasm, number 3 is cell membrane, and number 4 is vacuole. Same as in plant cell, there are also some small parts or organelles, and these are cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole and chloroplast. So in animal cells there were 4 organelles, and in plant cell there are 6 organelles. So one difference is that in animal cells there are 4 organelles, and in plant cells there are 6 organelles. So what organelles are common in both plant cell and animal cells? Their common organelles are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuole. And what are those organelles that make difference between them? Those are cell wall and chloroplast. Let's discuss the organelles one by one. Nucleus. Nucleus is present in both type of cells, plant cell and animal cell, and the function of nucleus is to control all activities of the cell. For example, who controls the activities of your school? Your school activities are controlled by your school principal. Same as सेल की तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ को कौन कंट्रोल करता है? सेल की तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ को न्यूक्लियस कंट्रोल करता है. So if we talk about the position of nucleus, that where the nucleus is present inside the cell, the nucleus is present in the center of the cell. So what is the function of nucleus? Function of nucleus is to control the all activities of cell. And where the nucleus is present inside the cell, the nucleus is present in the center of the cell, and it is also present in both type of cells, plant cell and animal cell. Hence, nucleus function is also to repair the damaged cell. Means when the cell damages, nucleus help it to repair itself. For example, when your bicycle tires damages, then mechanics help you in the repairing process of your bicycle tire. Same as nucleus helps the damaged cell in cell repairing process. Next is cytoplasm. To understand this, let's take the example of boat floating in a lake. Students, in lake there is a water in which the boat float. Same as in the cell there is a cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance, and all the cells organelles, that is nucleus, vacuole, float in the cytoplasm of cell, like the boat that float in the water of lake. So what type of substance cytoplasm is? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance, and what floats in it? All the cell organelles float in it, and as like nucleus, cytoplasm is also present in both type of cell, plant cell and animal cell. You can also consider the cytoplasm as a playground too. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is a membrane or a layer present on the outside of the cell. For example, our house wall and our house gate. Both are membrane of our house. And what is the function of our house wall and house gate? Function of our house wall is to give shape to our house, and the function of our house gate is to allow us to move into and out of our house. Student, same as cell membrane give shape to the cell, and it controls and allow the movement of materials in and out of the cell. Means it's like a security guard. It only allows the entry of useful materials to enter in the cell, and it is present on both the surface of cell, plant cell and the animal cell. Next is vacuole. Vacuole is also present in both type of cells, plant cell and animal cell, and it has a bubble-like shape. What shape is it? It has a bubble-like shape, and it stores the food, water, waste materials and all other substances. For example, in our house there is a storeroom and a dustbin, and in storeroom we store our house material, and in dustbin we throw our garbage. Same as in vacuole, food, water, waste materials and all other substances are stored. But students, vacuoles that are present in animal cells are of small in size, while the plant cells have a large vacuole, and in animal cell there are numerous, means many vacuoles, but in plant cell there is only one large vacuole. Chloroplast. This organelle is present in plant cell, not in animal cell. And students, do you know why the plant's leaves have green color? They have green color because of chloroplast, and the word chloro means color. Means chloroplast is a green color pigment, and it is present in the leaves of plants. That is why leaves are in green color. What is the function of this color pigment is? The function of this color pigment is to do the photosynthesis process. And what is the photosynthesis process? It is a process in which plants make food for us. For example, fruits and vegetables, and it takes place in leaves. Why in leaves? Because in leaves there are chloroplasts which perform the photosynthesis process. What is the shape of chloroplast and how they are arranged? Their shape is like a small disc, and they look like a coin's stake. Means their arrangement is like a coin's stake. Last is cell wall. In plant cell there is a additional wall on the outer surface of cell. This is called as cell wall. Means in plant cell there are two layers. One is cell membrane and another is cell wall. And why cell wall is present in plant cell? Because cell wall is a strong wall and it is made up of cellulose, which give a cell extra protection due to its strongness and help the plant cell to maintain its structure and its shape. Here we have completed our first unit and this is your assignment. Question number 1 is, which type of instrument we use to see the small objects? Question number 2 is, give sequence to the words given below: organ, cell, organism, tissue and organ system. Question number 3 is, cell wall is made up of. Question number 4 is, name the cell organelle that controls the activities of cell. Next is true false exercise. Thank you.